It takes heavy equipment, a ton of rock, and a lot of sweat to create a place this peaceful. This year, we transformed homes across the Treasure Valley, turning ordinary backyards into a true outdoor living experience. Here is a look at our favorite projects as we prepare for an exciting new season. A popular question we get is, will a pond breed mosquitoes? Actually, it's the opposite. A healthy pond attracts dragonflies, nature's mosquito SWAT team. One adult eats up to 100 mosquitoes a day. And the secret? Water lilies. Their leaves make perfect landing pads for dragonflies to lay their eggs. Plus, they do double duty, sheltering your koi and reducing algae to keep the water crystal clear. We talk a lot about the beauty of a pond, but let's talk about the wellness benefits. It is known as blue mind theory. Being near water can lower your cortisol, slow your heart rate, and naturally reduce anxiety. Water relaxes your body and mind. And that sound? It's called pink noise. We have installed waterfalls right next to bedroom windows because the frequency is proven to improve sleep quality. And those splashes generate negative ions, which naturally boost serotonin and lift your mood. It's not just a backyard, it's wellness for your body and mind.
Hello everybody, I'm Chris Schreiner at Green Source Landscapes. We're here on a job that we did about 2 months ago in the springtime. And this is our Pondless waterfall that we did for them in this corner in the front yard. Absolutely beautiful. Then you can see the landscaping. We got the trees, the plants, and it's going to feel really nice next year. I mean, two, 3 years, it's going to look absolutely fantastic. But even this year, this coming year, it's going to come out really nice. We'll show you that as it matures. Okay, this job is 3 years old. You can see how much the plants took off. Pavers, lawn, all that.
You can see how those plants really filled in the space. It's not just about how it looks on day one, it's about how fantastic it looks for years to come. Thank you to all our amazing clients for a great year. If you are ready to start your own outdoor living experience, give us a call or visit us online. Have a great day.